go.
We are here at Railroad Witches, and we're gonna try our luck today. And let's go, please. Let's play, guys. Woo!
Hang on.
All right. It was a long way to
What?
come here, but we are here, huh?
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
There was a few.
Well, two more.
So that's to be like how many of them?
Yeah, but that looks like it's full up there too.
Nice. That's excellent.
That should be good. Yep.
All right, we got something.
Yep.
It's let's see what our likes today for. It's already high up, huh? The
Exactly.
coins are, so it's waiting to pop, huh?
Yeah. Fall off. Oh, we need. Come on, here's the.
Come on, give us.
Nope.
What do we need next?
We needed another bonus.
Ah.
We never get that last bonus.
Mm.
We needed that bonus right there on that last one.
Makes sense.
So
Come on, come on.
it's all right.
Give us something, man.
We definitely need
Some bonuses. And oh, I think we need one more in here.
We need two. The bonus, you mean?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it. I was moving the chair. We almost got it.
He said, one more bonus, huh?
Yep.
But Railroad Riches is so much fun. Oh. Plus, it's already up there. Oh. Ah. There isn't anything that we do need like 6 of them like this.
6 of those. Yep.
And the bonus is like, oh, come on.
Unless they want to hit that there.
Nice. Ooh. Oh, I need something. We got something. Woo. Guys, we got something. All right. So let's play.
Got
3 free spinning.
3. Yep, go ahead. We need the railroad crossing. Yep, we have 3 spins. Each time we get something. Oh, we need to save us. Oh, that was terrible. That's it. That was really bad.
Something $12 and
yeah.
this is 17. So what do you think? Oh, come on, we need bonus. Ah, 3 more. What's this?
Those are all wilds. That's not much. We got nothing on that. Whenever those cats come down, I'm
One more.
excited.
One more. Yeah.
I'll be honest. Now when I see those bonuses, I don't expect it to come. I hate to sound like that. Oh, that's not good. I thought that was gonna be good because of the. Hopefully we get something. That should be okay. Yep. Because those are all wild, so it's connected.
Well, it's more than the bonus.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I said our bonus is terrible. Line pay would be good.
That's true. To see the rainbow, so we must go up there.
What rainbow?
The thing for the bonus thing. When the coin goes all the way up, when the one more bonus.
Gotten the bonus on that one and didn't come like that. Once you see those coins come in there,
then
it messes up everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it no longer can connect.
Oh.
Richie today.
Come on. Be good to us.
There it is. We finally got it.
All right. Woo!
So we have 83 spins.
We got 8 spinning.
That's one of eight. Okay.
Yes, we got something. So we don't want any coins. We want a connection.
That should be okay. Last one.
Last one?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. That's it now. Oh, $79. All right. Something. Woo. Yeah. Yes. Woohoo.
Let's do a couple more spins and see if we can get anything else, and if not, we can stop.
We go to the next.
Yeah, let's do it.
Absolutely.
Probably should just stay here for a little bit. Just see a couple more spins. Let's try one more. Just one more spin, and then okay, we'll stop here. All right.
All right, guys. Thank you. You got all this, and anyway, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification button.
All right.
And
See
we'll
you on the next one, guys.
Next video, all right?
Bye.